Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Binance to your TradingView chart. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you're new to Binance, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below, where it will refer you to make an account with up to 100 euros bonus as our special offer. Now, as you can see, currently right here, we are on the TradingView main application. Now from here, all you have to do is go to the search button. And then from here, we're going to show you all the options that you have on the screen, from Binance to USDT to every other chance. Now, if you search for Binance, it's going to show you all the sources that are trusted by the Binance launcher and the currencies next to them. So for example, if you choose the first one, then we're going to click on Launch Chart. And then once you click on Launch Chart, it's going to show you the official chart that is trusted by them. Now, on the bottom, there is a panel that says Trading Panel or Replay Trading or Strategy Tester. Click on the Trading Panel, and then from here you can scroll down until you see Binance. And if you haven't found it, then simply click on the search button right here and search for Binance. Then once you do that, as you can see, it's right here. Click on it, and then from here, you're going to click on Connect. Now, once it clicks on Connect, it's going to redirect you to the Binance website. And then from here, it's going to be a bit easier if you even have it installed for both Binance and trading, since they can just communicate each other. And then from here, once you log into your Binance account, it's going to be connected and then you're settled. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.